I'm Mike.
And I'm Alex with Anthem Air Conditioning, Heating, and Plumbing.
Today we're going to talk to you about the home warranty advantages and disadvantages. Alex, what are some of the advantages, the pros of working with a home warranty company for air conditioning repairs?
To be honest, Mike, I've only found one, and that is price or cost.
So it's the cheapest way to get things repaired.
That is right.
But that's because somebody else is really paying for all the repairs.
Correct.
What's what's a con of working with the home warranty company?
Time.
Time.
So can we fix it right away? Or, it's about time.
So we're basically on the home warranty side. They make the decisions of what gets done and stuff. And things get delayed because we have to report a lot of stuff over to the home warranty company every time we're out of home.
Correct.
So, and there's a couple things where we can get things fixed right away. We kind of know what they'll allow, and we can go in there on a few things and say, okay, we have that part on our truck. We're going to put that in for you. But there's a ton of things where we have to kind of step back and say, okay, the home warranty needs to make the decision on how to make this repair.
Which means it could take a few days, a few weeks.
It can take a while.
Yeah.
So they make the decision. We have to report. We have to send them a report. We have to explain everything, give them pictures. There's a team with them who makes the authorizations, who makes the decisions, and they ask a lot of questions on that repair. What's another con?
Another con is you're not in control. You're not in control of what parts going to send your system, what brand might go in. Again, home warranty makes the decisions for you.
So the customer is actually the home warranty company and not the homeowner.
That is correct.
They make the decisions. So we submit everything to them. They make the decision. Oftentimes they're only looking at their cost, right?
Does it work or not?
Okay.
Can we get it up and running the cheapest way possible? Let's do it.
So they'll put a Band-Aid on it in order to just get it running, but it may not be what's best for the homeowner or what the homeowner wants.
That is correct. They don't consider air quality. They don't consider if it's efficient enough. It's just, is it working? Yes or no.
So if you're looking for the best price and that's all that matters, go with home warranty.
Home warranty it is.
But if you're looking for quality or time is of the essence or anything else, you're going to want to go direct and for your air conditioning repairs and not home warranty. I'm Mike with Anthem Air Conditioning.
And I'm Alex with Anthem Air Conditioning.